Okay, I'm back. So I thought I'd hurry up and curl my hair, and then we'd go on to the next step. You don't have to wait that long, but I thought, I might as well get my hair done. So shout out to Melissa from Melissa's Golden Comb. She does a nice job on my hair all the time. So, okay, I'm going to put it up. It's not going to look so great. Next step, skin therapist. I hope you can see that. Let me back up a little bit. Skin therapist. Okay, this is also a moisturizer, and this is also for those dark spots and things you don't like on your face. It says pomegranate and let me see, I can't hardly see. And face moisturizer. Normal to dry. Okay, now you don't have to use all these steps that I'm using because right now my face feels really great. All I had used was the Quench Cleanse to Wash, which makes my face feel nice and soft. And then I use the Sotox for aging. And now I'm going to use this for aging. Anything that I can do to help my skin. Okay, so I'm going to put just I think I use, what do I use? I'm going to try 1 pump. Okay, and then I bought the 1 Drop Wonder. Okay, supposedly there's like 1 or 2 ingredients in here. I don't remember what it is, but and you only use a drop. Okay, so this is supposed to be great for the same stuff that I just talked about. Anything to do with aging or skin defects you don't like, dryness. I think it helps for eczema or any of that stuff, rosacea, all that. So what you do is you take the dropper that they give you and you push out 1 drop. Okay, that's what I've got, 1 drop, that's it. Okay, it is a little bit pricey, but you're only using 1 drop a day for your face. Okay, and I'm gonna really concentrate on my brown age spots. I have my scars. And you just pat it all over. And remember, all this skincare is chemical free. It's healthy for your skin. So why not, right? Feels good, smells good. What's not to like? I mean, if you care about your skin, which I'm sure you do, then you'll use it. Okay, well, that's my skin regimen, and I will let you go, and my next segment